बांग्लादेश में मंदिर तोड़ना, थरूर की चिंता। बांग्लादेश में हाल ही में छात्र प्रदर्शनों के दौरान हिंदू समुदाय को निशाना बनाकर हमले किए गए हैं। शेख हसीना की सरकार गिरने के बाद और नई सरकार के गठन के बावजूद अल्पसंख्यक हिंदू, बौद्ध और ईसाई समुदाय पर हमले जारी हैं। बांग्लादेश हिंदू बौद्ध ईसाई एकता परिषद के अनुसार देश के 64 जिलों में से 52 जिलों में हिंदुओं और उनकी संपत्तियों को नुकसान पहुंचाया गया है। इस बढ़ती हिंसा पर संयुक्त राष्ट्र ने भी चिंता जताई है और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय समुदाय से बांग्लादेश में धार्मिक सहिष्णुता और सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करने की अपील की है। भारत बांग्लादेश की दोस्ती के हर प्रतीक पर हो रहे हमले। कांग्रेस सांसद शशि थरूर ने पड़ोसी मुल्क बांग्लादेश में हिंदुओं पर हो रहे हमलों पर गहरी चिंता व्यक्त की है। उन्होंने कहा, हमें भारत में बांग्लादेश के लोगों के साथ खड़ा होना चाहिए, लेकिन यह नजरअंदाज करना हमारे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है कि भारत और बांग्लादेश की दोस्ती के हर प्रतीक पर हमले हो रहे हैं। थरूर ने भारत और बांग्लादेश के बीच रिश्तों की सुरक्षा और धार्मिक सहिष्णुता की आवश्यकता पर जोर दिया।
Look, I think it's extremely tragic that what was hailed as a democratic popular revolution in Bangladesh has also degenerated into not only anarchy but violence, and particularly violence targeting the minorities and the Hindu minority in particular. I thought that was very, very tragic. I think I've been hearing reports of dozens of people killed. A number of Awami League MPs have been killed. This kind of situation is not healthy for any society or any polity. I know that Muhammad Yunus, whom I have known personally over the years, would be above this kind of thing, and I'm not surprised that he has called for an end to the violence and he has appealed to the public to support the minorities. I think his statement was, "You've saved the country, now why can't you save the minorities?" And he has met with some of the minority leaders. I hope that he will continue to exhort the authorities to restore law and order. I gather that the police were on strike. They have come back from their strike now, that the army will then feel safer to return to barracks. The army is always, there's always a risk of using bullets to settle, and that's never a good idea in a situation like this. So the police might be able to use more conventional methods and restore law and order. But that's extremely important. We in India must stand with the people of Bangladesh, but it's difficult for us to be indifferent when every symbol of India's friendship to Bangladesh is being attacked. The statue of the surrender of the Pakistani forces to Indian soldiers has been smashed to bits. We've had the Indian Cultural Center completely destroyed, a number of institutions vandalized, including the ISKCON temple. All of these things are very negative signs for people in India, and of course people are going to be hurt and react badly. I don't think it's in Bangladesh's interest either to come across in this way. I think they should be saying that this is about the restoration of their democracy and their rights, and we should respect that. But in the process, you turn against the minorities, and in particular one minority, inevitably that will be noticed and resented in our country and elsewhere.
न्यूज़ इंडिया 24 से काजल सिंह, ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट।